Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. After the struggle and the pain and the rain and the game should have never been.
Alright, what is going on, my you family? It's Emoneyshoes back with another review. And I'm cracking myself up. I can't believe it. You know how it is. You like to do that NWO. So actually I had to redo this video because my mic was not even plugged up. And I don't want to have a second run like I did before where the thing sound like I'm underwater or something like that. Now we just hit it. We're almost approaching 6,600. So if you tell a family member, a friend of a friend, we can get to 7,500 and do this giveaway. You feel me? So until then, I can't do that. My hands are tired. And then we're just trying to get to 10K. Also, make sure you go check out the fam, 3on3 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. And also make sure you subscribe to Who Has the Heat. We just need 500. We got 360 people. All I need is 140. So go spread the word. I got over 6,000 people. It shouldn't be that hard, family. All of these in the money squad, it shouldn't be that hard. Now, that's enough of me ranting. As you can see, get into it. Look at that DJ Luian. I've been on these Diadoras. Shout out to Black Prince for letting me know they had a restock on Foot Action. As y'all know, I've been on the Diadoras. I had the Chardonnays, but these are dope. Play it, DJ. Play it, DJ. DJ Luian. See right there. And as you can see, it's a PP personal pair size 10.5. See that? You see that? You see that? And as we proceed to open the box, this guy's so lovely. Look at that. So lovely, so lovely, so nice to shoot. Oh crap! Saw that? I'm all so hyped. I'm tearing up the everything, smacking the camera. Woo! Boy, this Italian leather, mwah, as they like to do it, and bang, bang, right here. Perfect Easter vibe, spring, summer, fling, all of that stuff. Bars. Look at that. 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 Look at that shoe. So lovely. So nice. So lovely. As you can see, throw that over there. We always go with the left. We're going to do one spin. As you can see, them bumps, them goose bumps, rankle, stankle, basketball, shoe, leather, all on that done shoe. Underneath, you see you got the Diadora in gray with your herringbone traction. Yes, that's right, adjust camera. Adjust, got done it. Adjust. Then you got your yellow. Look at that. You got that. You see that? Look at that. Rankle, stankle, stitching on hit. Nice white. Nice yellow. Nice pink. Diadora, because you know it's that Italian shoe. All good. And it has the pink laces, of course. And your sock liner is leather. And you see the DJ in there? Look at that. DJ hit my music. Right? And on the side you got music as well with your earphones. Diadora in yellow. Coming around on this side, of course, nubuck suede for the Diadora emblem. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Rankle, stankle. My. You can't get no better than that. Even the inside of the tongue, the blue, is leather. Look at that. With that Diadora. Italian made shoe. So I don't know what y'all waiting on, but y'all need to jump on the Diadora train. Because these are fire flame. I don't think they come with any extra laces, but I think they did it right on this one with going with the pink laces. Y'all let me know what you think. Would you think it's better to go with white, pink, or should we go with mellow yellow? You let me know on that. Oh man, that Italian dollar just hit real different. I know people like, man, look at this weirdo. He's smelling his shoes and all of that crap. But some of them shoes will get you say hi, but get this groove going, right? Just wanted to make sure no more extra laces in there. So, what do you think about this shoe? I think the price point was $140 on Foot Action. I'm glad to have these in the shoe. Again, shout out to Black Print for leading me in the right direction on these joints. So with that being said, on a little beat, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna keep it a hundo. I'm gonna give these joints a Phoebe out of Phoebe. This is a fire shoe. Great. I mean, for the price, you get excellent quality. You don't see any glue stains. You don't see stitching hanging out. You don't see none of that. You don't see all that paint stuff, all of the imperfection, everything. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe also. You can do thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care. Just take an action. Any action is better than no action, because you watching the video anyway, so might as well just go hit the thumbs up and subscribe. You feel me? You can ask me any question. I try to get to you back in within 48 hours roughly. Sometimes it take me a week, give or take a little bit. So you think, let me know what you think about this shoe. DJ Luian, Diadora's, out of the Diadora Maverick collection, or the Maverick line. All right, thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.